Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmades.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial, and I am so excited. I have the Hello Ladybug bundle here. I'm going to share a really cute project with you guys featuring this bundle. I was so excited when I saw this set in the mini catalog. I absolutely love ladybugs. That's part of why it's in my business name. It's in my logo, my nickname. When I was younger was Quita-Bug. So yeah, love ladybugs. So I was really excited to see this set, and it is just the cutest, you guys. It is really, really cute. So yeah, I decided to stick with black, red, and white for this card. I mean, you could do these ladybugs whatever color you want, but I decided to stick with just red, black, and white, and the card is just so cute. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So I'm actually going to start by doing some die cutting first. So I've got my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine here, plate number 1, plate number 2, which is a clear cutting plate. And I'm going to cut out my white circle first. So I hope this is big enough. It might not be. It is not going to be. So let me get another piece. Okay, I just cut another piece. There we go. I still need that piece for later, but okay. So I'm going to cut this out. Another plate on top. Just run that through. Dee. There we go. And then I am going to cut out this piece of red using this is real red, using the scalloped circle that goes just outside of that plain circle. Just cut this out. And that is all of the die cutting that we have to do. So scallop and plain circle. So then I've got this scratch piece of white cardstock. So I'm going to stamp my ladybug wings. So you've got two choices of ladybugs here. You've got this one where you stamp on the wings and then the spots. You can fill in the spots. And then you also have this one, and then you can put the little shell on top of it. So I'm using this one with the wings and the spots. And to make it easy to punch out, I'm going to make sure that I stamp it in the same direction that I'm going to punch it. So when you flip the punch over, the wings are facing towards the left. So I'm going to make sure that I stamp them in this same direction to make it easy for me to punch them. And I am going to bring in my piercing mat. I probably don't need it, but I'm going to bring it in. So I'm stamping my wings in real red ink. Okay, and I'm putting them off to the left, or facing the left. Okay, and then I've got Memento Tuxedo Black, and this is for my spots. So I'm just going to ink these up. You could also use your Stamparatus if you're worried about stamping these perfectly. That is good enough for me. It looks pretty cute. I'm gonna go ahead and punch these out. Just line them up. I love punches. They're so easy to use. They're so convenient. Oh, so cute. And then I've got some basic black here for my little ladybug body. Okay, which side am I gonna use? This side. Okay, got that. And then I'm gonna bring in my white circle, and I'm just going to use this as a guide as to where I wanna stamp everything else. So for the sentiment, I'm stamping hello, it's a good day, but I'm gonna start first by just doing the it's a good day, and then I'll stamp the hello afterwards. So it's a good day right there. And then let me grab the hello, put that right here. Ooh, that looks really good. Then I'm gonna bring my real red back in. Let me just lay the wings down just so I can stamp the next part correctly. So I've got the little, there are these like 3 little dots that are in that stamp set. So I'm just gonna stamp this little cluster of dots in 3 places around my ladybug. Ah, so cute, you guys. This is just, oh gosh, it's so cute. Now we can start putting this card together. So I've got real red card base. This is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, scored at 5 1/2 inches. I do have all of these measurements over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. So this makes it a, just checking, this makes it a vertical folding card. I love cards oriented this direction. They're my favorite. Okay, then I've got 2 pieces of designer series paper from the Pattern Party designer series paper, which is a big, massive paper pack that you can get as a hostess reward when you place an order of $150 or more. You can use your hostess rewards to redeem that paper for free. So love this paper. I use it all the time. So this piece is cut 3 inches by 5 inches. And then this piece is cut 1.5 inches by 4 1/4 inches. So I'm going to add both of these using my Stampin' seal. I don't have much left on here. Okay, and then we'll just center that up. And actually, yeah, I'm happy with that. Just trying to decide if I wanted the black stripe or the red across the top, but anyways. Okay, that looks good. Then my other piece here. I actually cut this a little bit larger so that I could just snip it down to make sure the sizing was perfect. So just put that right there. Bring in my paper snips. Okay, then I can add my white circle onto my scalloped circle. Okay, and then glue dots to adhere my ladybug wings on. Just 2 will do. I'll just pop those on. Oh, I can't see with the black on the black. Okay, just put those on. Right there, and then some dimensionals on the back. I'm actually gonna be a little bit excessive here. I'm gonna do 4. I know she's really small. 1 would do, but I want her standing just really proud because she is just too cute. So I wanna make sure she is standing nice and proud all around. And I'm gonna pop her right there. Oh my gosh. And actually I need those dimensionals again because I'm gonna pop this entire circle up. Okay, there we go. We'll just put her right in the center. I think that looks good. And then to finish up, my favorite embellishment, the matte black dots. Perfect for this card. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop a small one there, a large one right about there, and then another small one right there. Actually, that larger one needs to come in a little bit more. Yeah, like that. There it is, you guys. Isn't it so cute? I absolutely love this card. It is just the cutest thing. Oh, so cute, so cute, so cute. And then of course, you know, I had to make a matching envelope, so I added that same polka dot pattern to the envelope flap. And then on the front, I actually stamped the other Ladybug that comes in the stamp set. So cute. I just love it. If you don't have the Hello Ladybug bundle, get it, you guys. I've got it linked down below in the video description. So cute. Absolutely adore this set. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, you can find all of the measurements and supplies that I used for today's project over on my coordinating blog post, which is linked down below in the video description. And I do actually have all of the products linked and listed down below in the video description as well to make it easy for you if you'd like to purchase anything that you saw me use today. So thanks again, and stay tuned. I will be back very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.